So this lab is lab 29, which is standard access list control. So there are two questions that we needed to answer, which is number one is only computers in the 192.168.1.0/24 network can access server 1. And lastly, which is yung PC4 cannot communicate with the 192.168.1.0/24 network. So the first thing we need to do here is to configure the control access list on router 2, which is use the command access list mamaya. So here, so enable connect tapos yung access list, tapos lagyan natin ng sensitive health, which is yung ano. So as you can see, 1 to 99 is the range for standard ACL. So you can also see the range for extended ACL, which is yung 100 to 199, and I'll use the number 1. So here, access 1, tapos sensitive ulit kung ano susunod. So as you can see, check, we can deny, permit, or add a network. Add a remark. Remarks are used for when on a large network you have large amount of ACL, so you can identify what each ACL is for when looking at the configuration later. Allow only the 192.168.1.0/24 network to access the server. So ganito siya. So permit, and susunod dyan, which is I'll put an IP address. So ang gagamitin natin is yung 192.168.1.0, and then yung wildcard mask, which is ang subnet mask ng ito is 255.255.255.0. So ang wildcard mask niya is 0.0.0.255. So ayan. So i-apply ko siya ngayon sa interface, which is yung sa F0. So ganito siya, in F0, and then mag-apply ako na ACL to an interface with this command: IP access group 1, tapos out. So ayan. So punta ako sa PC1 at ipin ko yung 192.168.3.0, which is ito. So sa PC1, so ipin ko yung 192.168.3.100, and dapat ma-reach nyo to. Ngayon na ping niya. So punta naman tayo sa PC3. Punta tayo sa PC3 and i-ping natin yung dito. Yung 192.168.3.100. Dapat hindi siya magre-reach to. So ayan, unreachable yung host. So after that, i-configure natin yung router 1, which is ito. So enable NFT, and then access yung magkikreate tayo ng deny statement to check the option, which since we are denying one host. So let's select that and type in the address 192.168.2.14. So, yung ACL na to is i-deny niya yung PC4, and if the traffic comes from anywhere else, it will deny also, or sa madaling salita, i-deny niya lahat. So, ganito siya. So, connect. So, access list 1, tas deny, tapos yung IP address na 192.168.2.14. Lagyan pa pala natin ng host 14. Yan. So, after that, mag-create tayo ng permit statement to everything else. Ganito lang siya. So, access list 1 permit any. So ayan. After that, mag-apply ulit na ACL dito sa F0 F0-0, which is siya yung pinaka-close sa destination. So, ang gagawin lang yan is it will prevent PC4 from reaching anywhere outside of its own subnet here. Because if any traffic source from PC4 enters routers 1 F10 interface, it will be dropped. So, ganito siya. So, after that, try na nating i-ping yung PC3 if ma-reach niya yung PC1. So, ganito siya. So, ping 192.168.1.11. So, ayan. Napiping niya yung PC1. So, punta tayo naman sa PC4 if napiping niya yung PC1. Yung 192.168.1.11. So, unreachable siya. So, nasagot na natin yung PC4, yung sagot dito, which is yung PC4 cannot communicate with the 192.168.1.0/24 network.